Ever run into those tax calculation headaches in Acumatica?
Oh,
Especially when you're dealing with a single customer, but they have multiple shipping addresses.
yeah, it can get messy.
It's like Acumatica throws a wrench in your system.
Right.
Today, we're going to dive into a real-world scenario that Acumatica consultants face all the time.
Yep.
We're going to unpack a clever solution that might save you a lot of trouble down the road.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
This case is fascinating because a simple override can turn into a huge problem. We're going to learn from Manisha Sharma.
Okay.
She's an associate principal consultant with Tayana Solutions.
Gotcha.
She's got over 4 years of experience, and she's handled something like 450 different Acumatica situations.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of Acumatica wisdom.
Yeah.
So what kind of problem did she run into?
Well, she was giving a presentation recently, and she talked about this issue she sees all the time where overriding shipping addresses on sales orders, it makes the tax calculations wrong.
Yeah.
And then, of course, that messes up invoices and even payments.
Ouch. I could just imagine having to fix all those invoices, giving people refunds, dealing with frustrated clients. It makes you think maybe spreadsheets weren't so bad after all.
Exactly. But the interesting thing is that Manisha's solution is super simple.
Okay.
And it really works. Instead of overwriting that default shipping address, which seems easy at first,
Yeah.
she says you should create a separate customer location with the right tax settings.
So you're working with the system instead of fighting it. I like that. But how does this whole additional customer location thing work?
Well, you got to be proactive. When you make this new location in Acumatica, you're basically setting up a profile for each warehouse
Okay.
with its own address and tax zone.
So when a sales order comes in for that customer, instead of overriding the shipping address and messing up the taxes, the user just picks the right location from a list.
Exactly.
And the taxes are calculated correctly right from the beginning.
I mean, think about it. You could spend hours, maybe even days, trying to figure out a workaround for some problem. Or you could just talk to someone like Manisha who's already solved that exact problem.
It's like a cheat code for Acumatica. So if you're stuck on something, whether it's taxes or reports or even those generic inquiries, Tayana Solutions can really help. And they're easy to reach. Just call Tayana Solutions at 678-910-2774. And if you ever get stuck, you know who to call. Tayana Solutions. They're the Acumatica experts.
Absolutely.
Until next time, keep diving deep into Acumatica.